Welcome back! Let's continue today's lesson. Remember to continue practicing your letter sounds on your own. This week, we will continue reviewing the letter sound and G. Can you tell me the first sound in lot? Lot. Remember to look for the letter sound that is the same color as the smiley. Lot. The first sound in lot is O. What is the first sound in ram? Ram. The first sound in ram is What is the first sound in on? On. The first sound in on is O. Gas. Gas. The first sound in gas is G. Gas. Now we're looking for something that starts with O. Is it rose, cake, ladybug, or fire? What is something that starts with O? Ladybug. We're looking for something that starts with Is it boy, ring, pie, or ant? What starts with Ring. We're looking for a word that starts with O. Is it leaf, violin, octopus, or wolf? What starts with O? Octopus. We're looking for a word that starts with G. Is it girl, fan, bear, or rake? What starts with G? Girl. Now let's sound out a word together. Let's sound out each letter and figure out what word it makes. Here we go. Get ready. G, A, S. Again. G, A, S. Gas. Get ready. M, A, T. Again. M, A, T. What word does that say? Mat. O, T. Again. O, T. What does that say? Rot. T, A, G. Again. T, A, G. What does that say together? Tag. Now I'm going to put some sounds together and you point to the picture I'm saying. What word am I saying? G, A, S. Am I saying gas, goat, foot, or cat? G, A, S. Gas. What word am I saying? O, t. Am I saying red, cup, rot, or mat? O, t. O, t. Rot. What word am I saying? A, t. What word am I saying? Is it gas, doll, gum, or mat? A, t. Mat. What word am I saying? T, a, g. Is it hat, soup, log, or tag? T, a, g. T, a, g. Tag. Well done! See you next time!